Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Bhupesh once again for you all from Dr. BKM Institutes. Thanks for liking our channel that we have got subscribers more than 10,000, which are 100% organic, and that is because of the love and affection you have given us. We will keep on creating these kind of awesome videos. And for our students as well, thank you so much for joining our institute. And for any queries regarding OET coaching, you can contact us on 76967 34256. Please like, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. So today I'm just going to make a very small video and that would be related to connectors. So as such, OET has not changed anything in connectors, to be honest. There are no changes. But yes, but we sometimes feel that there are some old connectors and new connectors. I do not find anything old or new. The only thing OET says is that we should avoid hence because they call it outdated connectors. So rather than hence, we can use therefore. But again, if there is a particular situation where you are using therefore one or two times, so sometimes you can use hence. It doesn't mean that you cannot use hence at all. I don't believe so. And to be honest, OET people are medical professionals. They will not deduct marks for this thing. But yes, therefore, if they have written it on the site, so we will avoid this and we will use therefore. So if I say now how to manipulate these connectors, the same they say is for no, the same things happen. Let me tell you. Like suppose if I say required treatment was given and required treatment was given and his condition got improved. Please try to understand what are connectors and his condition got improved. This is, if you will realize, this is a very simple sentence. So how to make it attractive? So we say required treatment was given. Yes, that is nice. Required treatment was given and his condition got improved. Now, please understand this and is a connector because if connector would have been not there, it would have been full stop. And then we would have done this his. So connector means which connects two lines. So I say given and his condition got improved. This is what connector means. So and is a connector. And if there is any probability of a comma, possibility of a comma, that will come before connector. So and se pehle. Required treatment was given, but his condition did not improve. So comma ke baad, always use the connector after the comma, but his condition did not improve. Please put it in the chat box that it is visible to everyone so as to make sure that everybody can see it. So just put it in the chat box if everybody is able to see it. So yeah. Okay, I'm just going to check the chat box here. So required treatment was given, but his condition did not. So here I use connector. This but and are two different things. And means it's a simple thing. Required treatment was given. It is a positive part that required treatment was given and his condition got improved. It is also positive. But when there is a positive and a negative sentence, it is always better to use but. It is rather the best connector to use. So but his condition did not improve. So these are the two basic connectors which are used the maximum in OET. Now let us see what we can do to improve it. Required treatment was given and as a result, his condition got improved. Now this is very nice. This is nice. This is better. Required treatment was given and a result, his condition got improved. Wow. As a result can be replaced by, if I copy paste the same sentence, this is what connectors are all about. So I will write it here and I will say required treatment was given and consequently means the same. Consequently, his condition got improved. So that is how I can make it better. Even if I have to, suppose it is a big line, required treatment was given and including the administration of oxygen. So now this is a big sentence. Then I will make a full stop and I will make this C capital. So sentence doesn't mean कि we have to specify. मतलब हमें अपनी knowledge से, with our knowledge, we should be able to interpret that this sentence is long enough. I can have a pause, a bigger pause. That means a full stop. If this sentence is small, required treatment was given, then I will try to connect it. So there is no rocket science when it comes to connectors. That basically means अगर sentence बड़ा है तो full stop लगा दो. अगर sentence छोटा सा है, then carry on with the flow. So that is what is the difference. So ये अब यहाँ पे I do not mean that consequently should be used with full stop. I'm just saying if the sentence gets bigger. Even if this sentence gets bigger, then I will remove this and I will put a full stop. I will say as a result, his condition got improved was the big deal. But as a result or consequently are not connectors because they cannot connect a line. Connector means the word which has the possibility to convert this full stop into comma. So that is and is a connector. बट हम ओईटी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो हम इसको भी कनेक्टर बोल देते हैं कॉन्सिक्वेंटली को, पर ये कनेक्टर्स नहीं है, बट हाँ ये गुड वर्ड्स हैं विच हेल्प इन मेकिंग गुड इमेजेस. दीज आर वेरी गुड वर्ड्स जो इमेजेस को बेटर करते हैं. रिक्वायर्ड ट्रीटमेंट वाज गिवन and as a result his condition got improved. Required treatment was given including the administration of oxygen and consequently his breathing got better. Consequently his breathing got settled. Everything got better. So that depends upon the situation. So it is not that we have to make a specific line. So required treatment was given including the administration and consequently his breathing got better. Yeah, his oxygen level got better. So that is how we create sentences. When we say that there was a certain thing done and then we say as a result this happened. But suppose in this sentence required treatment was given but his condition did not improve. So I can also use in negative sentence although required treatment was given yet his condition did not improve. So in the negative sentence rather than but we can also use although and yet. But although and yet will not fit everywhere. So please do not overuse it. If you have this situation, only use at this situation. Required treatment was given, yet his condition did not improve. Then the next line would be, therefore, he is being referred under your expertise. Now this is nice. This is what connectors are all about. This is making connections. Connectors do not necessarily means that मतलब हाँ actual connectors ही होते हैं. But in OET what we are जिनको हम connectors बोलते हैं, the things we call connectors are basically they should help us to make better images. So although required treatment was given, yet his condition did not improve. Therefore, he is being referred under your expertise for definitive diagnosis and further management. That means what I am trying to tell a senior doctor in the first paragraph that his condition did not improve even after taking treatment. So that is why your expertise is highly required. So again, therefore word is a good kind of a thing that can connect. But OET says use therefore when there is full stop. It is a complex, they say it is a complex connector. So if you do not want to make it complex, you can put a comma and then you can put so. So is a kind of a connector which can be used in place of therefore. But OET says so को तब use करो जब आपको comma लगाना है. Full stop लगा के so को मत लगाओ. OET does not say so को नहीं लगाना. OET कहता है so is a simple connector. तो इसको ऐसे मत लिखो. इसकी जगह पे therefore लिखो अगर आप full stop लगा रहे हो. If you are using the full stop, use therefore instead of so. So that is the only condition. I hope you all are getting this point, and in the chat box I would like to read, yes, it is visible to everyone. That is great. So please, it is not complex at all. And now see, the simple sentences become so beautiful. Although required treatment was given, yet his condition did not improve. Therefore, he is being referred under your expertise for definite diagnosis and further management. And this line can also be, although investigations were done, please try and understand. Although you can say although investigations were done, but then again after investigation you will have diagnosis for sure. So although assessment was done or physical examination was done, although assessment was done, yet diagnosis was not clear. So I'm saying there is a condition that assessment was done, yet diagnosis was not clear. या इसको present में डालेंगे. Now this is connection. So now I will make it present. So although assessment has been done, yet diagnosis is not clear. Therefore, he is being referred under your expertise for definitive diagnosis. Now, this is even wonderful sentence, because if I am using a word like definitive diagnosis, I should have a reason here that diagnosis is clear or not. So although assessment has been done, yet diagnosis is not clear. Therefore, he is being referred under your expertise for definitive diagnosis and further. So any student can understand this sentence. Please practice it. So you can fit in any situation. So required treatment was given and a positive thing happened, and as a result, his condition got improved. Or we can use consequently required treatment was given, including the administration of oxygen, and consequently his breathing got better. So these are the small things of OET. So connector will always be like and but. Again, one more thing. Although assessment has been done, yet diagnosis is not clear. Suppose if I say required treatment was given, full stop. However, his condition did not improve. Yeah, his condition has not improved. This is also the same rules. So OET call, when you use full stop, use however, like the same that happens with therefore. They call it complex connectors. They say but can be used, but if you're using but, then make a comma, and then you do not require the second comma, or you can use it. It does not make a difference, but still, yeah. So that is what OET says. So whenever you have a comma, you can use a smaller connector or a simple connector. And whenever you have a full stop, you can use a bigger connector, that is therefore. So that is what OET says about connectors. So these are the small things, and rest depends upon the situation. Again, I'm telling you, as a result, consequently, these are not connectors. Other things that you can use, suppose we want to say on next visit, or we want to say on next 3 visits, the patient was having same symptoms. Okay. So although assessment has been done on next 3 visits, so you can say on subsequent 3 visits. So next can be replaced by subsequent. On the subsequent, or even 3 is not necessary to be written. So you can mix up 1 visit, 2 visit. You can say on subsequent visits, the patient was having same symptoms. Then you can use along with that is a kind of a thing which you can use. But again, when it comes to OET, situation will be like that. Suppose the patient was having A, B and C. Along with that, he was also having D and E. So D and E, you can replace it with signs, fever, rigors, chills. Along with that, he was also having vomiting and this. So along with that, after full stop, always make a full stop, and then use along with that. If it is present, like today visit, today the patient is having this, then you replace that with this. So along with this, he is also having this. So that is the only difference between that and this. That is past, this is present. So these are the connectors, major connectors, which you should use in OET. Rest depends upon the situation, what kind of sentence you are making. And then again, don't use furthermore. Furthermore is not allowed. These connectors are not allowed. Not at all. In OET, we do not require. Otherwise, if you are sometimes saying on examination, he was found with. So this is not a connector on examination, but this also helps in making images. So the last sentence you told the patient was having this and these symptoms. So you say the same line then. After symptoms on examination, he was found with Now there comes the signs, elevated temperature and this and that. So the patient was having A, B, and C. Along with that, he was also having D and E. On examination, he was found with signs and symptoms. So that depends upon present and past again. So if it is a past, you will say he was found with. If you are turning into present, so it is present continuous, is MRING, then that will become this. Please listen to this video again. This is not complex. बस मैं आपको simple कर रहा हूँ. He is also having this. On examination, passive voice was का बन जाएगा has been. ये आपको जो पुराने students हैं, they know it very well, and the new students should try and remember this. And the people who are listening to this video, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. I hope this connector or the video of this connector will definitely help you in scoring higher. And again, in medical terminology, we don't use connectors like furthermore because it does not look nice. Suppose if I say the patient is having fever, rigors, and chills, full stop. Along with this, along with this की जगह लिखे furthermore, he is having this and this. So we are making a negative image. Again, patient is having fever, nausea, and vomiting. Furthermore, he is having rigors and chills. So we are making a negative image of the patient as if we do not want to attend the patient. So this is not nice. So that is why in OET never use furthermore. Never use never use, what are the other connectors? I don't know. But these are the only things you should make it as simple as you can. And there are other videos when I writing, when I'm doing the complete writing. Please, again, that's why I'm encouraging you to subscribe channel so that you can view other videos. So when you will watch my writing videos, if I'm writing the complete writing in front of you, obviously I'm using all the connectors that should be used. So this is about connectors. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes, and our contact number is 76967 34256. Thank you.